That's our dip. Garnish it up with some bacon, a little bit of chives or green onion, and that is ready for the table. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today a really quick one. We're going to do a bacon and mustard spread. Really simple, delicious. Sit there with your crackers or your toast or anything, dip in and enjoy. Come on. On here, cooked bacon. The bacon has to be cooked, so cook it. And all we're doing is cubing up or breaking up some of this bacon. That is all. We want bacon bits, and you are in control with how much bacon you want. Just go for it. Enjoy. Back in our bowl. Bacon bits. Cream cheese. Now, it would be better to use softened cream cheese. This is not quite soft, but there you go. Just bring that in there. Oh, it's a cold dip, this one. And we want to be going in there with 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard. Now, if you don't like Dijon mustard, you ain't making it. Job done. In there, bacon. Now save some for garnish. Okay, now fold that in there, and then we have our lovely mustard and bacon spread. Grab yourself a bowl in there like that. That's our dip. Garnish it up with some bacon, a little bit of chives or green onion, and that is ready for the table. There we have it. Only 5 minutes work. Obviously we're using cooked bacon, but that is our bacon and mustard dip. Come on. There you go. That was an easy 5-minute job. That's our dip there, look. So easy. Now you serve it with anything you want. These are the shop bought cracker things. Look at that. That is quality. In there for a little bit of extra bacon crunch. That is fantastic. Can't be any easier. You know, you've got that smoky bacon in there. Obviously, that's if you're using smoky bacon. You've got that smoky bacon in there. You've got that tang of the Dijon in there with the cream cheese. That is sensational. And obviously, if you wanted to add any seasonings like pepper or anything, entirely up to you. That is a fantastic dip. If you like what we're doing, don't forget to share. Tell your friends about the mustard bacon spread. Fantastic spread. Sit there eating crackers. Oh, delicious. If you like what we're doing, big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, ring that bell. Catch you in the next video.